But the car is, remember, I just got the car, so it's not done. It's not the final product. You know, it's gonna be better than this. So let me show you the car right now. And by the way, you guys know, you guys don't know, but I bought the cheapest S3 in the East Coast, if I can say that. But yes, if you want to know how much I paid for the car, I'm gonna tell you at the end of the video. But I got the cheapest S3 in the East Coast. The cheapest, by the cheapest I mean with some problems. So the car is definitely not good. It's good, but it has some problem. So the all-wheel drive, the most expensive one that I can think and that I can see is the all-wheel drive system. The all-wheel drive system is not working. My launch control is not working. So that's gonna be the most expensive thing on my list. But otherwise, then the other things is just like the paint, you know, scratches, rug chip, some dent. We also got some dent and some scratch on the back. So I'm gonna show you guys right now what I'm talking about by the cheapest S3. So you know, it's not always the best option, but since I'm gonna be driving the heck out of this car, so there's no point on me getting a perfect one. You know, it's for right now, it's not what I'm looking for. It's not worth it, because I'm always driving. I'm always going from this to this, going on the highway. You know, it's not gonna be a big deal for me. But maybe for one of you guys, which you guys might get a show car. I'm not a show car. I just want a quote built car, so I can race some people. But that's about it. Let me show you guys the car so you guys can see it. And here we go. This is the car, how it's set. You know, it's tinted. It's 35 legal. I don't know if that's right, but I'm gonna say it's 35. Okay, front and back 35. It's definitely not 20. Okay, and we also want to get the car lowered. Rims, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I think I'm gonna just paint them, get them painted, because I like those rims. Getting the whole car blacked out. And by the way, we also got some goodies already. We got a spoiler. What else we got? We also got the diffuser, which it comes stock on the car, as you guys can see. And as I told you, the cheapest S3. So we do got some damage on the back bumper. I got my hand dirty. We also got to get this car washed. So that's some scratch on the bumper. I don't know who crashed it or who did that, but I bought it like that, knowing it was like that. So that's okay. The all-wheel drive system, I didn't know it didn't have it. So it just noticed. I noticed that when I bought the car and I took it off the lot. It didn't work. The launch control didn't work. It would just keep spinning the front wheel. So yeah, that means that's gonna be expensive. I know that for a fact. By some dent right here. The car has dent right here. Well, some rock chip on the front of the car, right here, and all over the bumper. Other than that, the car is good. Other than those three things I pointed out, the car is perfect. So definitely what I'm looking for. Look at the car. It definitely needs to be lower though. Jeez, the headlight needs to be clean. They dirty. But let me show you guys the back profile, as you guys can see. Giving you guys a little tour. Woof. You know. Yep. Definitely a goat. The spoiler look good. I'm sorry, I'm filming with my hand. It's a little shaky. But you know, the car definitely sit good. I'm definitely not done with it. Remember, this is my second date, so there's a lot missing. But yes, remember when I told you guys I bought the cheapest S3, and I did. I bought the cheapest S3. So that comes with definitely some paint issues, some maybe mechanic issues, and mileage. So it's definitely a high mileage car. It's definitely not worth what I paid for, but this was the cheapest, and I just had to do it. It was definitely, I could have gotten a better deal, but for what it is, I think I did. It has 83,000 miles on it. So yes, if you do the math, it's probably worth about 16K. I paid 18 and a half. Why did I pay 18 and a half? Every other car in the market, they sit in at about the 30K miles to 40K miles. That's the range they're selling at, and they sell for above 30K. So I wasn't gonna pay 30K for it. So I just decided to settle with this one, pay 1850, and get the car for you guys and make some content, because I'm definitely missing out on something. But as you guys can see, the car look good. Okay, I think I made the right choice. It's red, not the best color, but I think it's gonna be good. I think it's gonna be good. You know, I love my white. But a red is gonna be fine. It's gonna be just fine. But yeah, let me show you inside the car. You know, I just got it tinted, so they put the do not roll window, whatever. And the seat, you know, the seat, definitely nice. And when you get in, so it didn't have the pedal. I got this. Hold on, let me turn on the car. Bam. So the seat, I mean the steering wheel, it has the small pedal. I bought the bigger one, and that was definitely a good purchase. If you have an S3, if you have a car that has pedal or whatever, I'll definitely recommend everyone to get a set of these bad boys. They definitely look good. Look, spinning wheel. There we go. Oh, now it grabbed. Oof. You see? So the car grabs around, the car grabs around third gear, 40, 45, doing like 45. That's when it starts to grab and it starts going. But less than that, the car would just start spinning. I hate that. Low key. But the car, oof. Definitely good. Definitely good. Let me put on my seatbelt. I don't mind fixing the bumper. I don't mind the scratches. But the all-wheel drive system is down. It's down. It's not working. So that I can't fix. I'm gonna talk to the dealer, the guy who sold me the car. I'm gonna definitely let him know. Cause you know. Jeez, this car is crazy. This car is definitely crazy. It can definitely get you into trouble real quick. But I'm not gonna fix that myself. I'm gonna talk to the dealer who sold it to me, because I did. Thanks God, I bought it from a dealer. I'm gonna talk to him, let him know it's broken. Jeez, this thing, bro, it just kept spinning. But listen, I'm gonna talk to the guy. I'm definitely not gonna fix it myself. At least he can give me like 50% of what it cost, and then I'll put the 50%, 50 and 50. But I'm gonna definitely talk to the guy so we can fix it, like both of us, because man, I know that thing is gonna be expensive as shit. But make sure you guys subscribe.